Growing up, I observed my father have a lot of dental problems, painful problems. He had root canals. The root canals would become a crown. Then he'd lose a tooth, he'd get a bridge. He'd lose one of the teeth associated with the bridge, it would become a longer bridge. And this continued through, most of my teenage years. And eventually something happens and he loses another tooth and the bridge now has to become a partial denture. And so his experience was somewhat typical of what I've seen with patients here in our practice over almost 20 years. So at the time when my father is wearing partial dentures, I'm in my training and I say, Dad, we can do something better, than these removable appliances.
I was training for the Boston Marathon, and what happens, I had a fall. I was going under an underpass and someone caught on my wire caught, I think it was a coat hanger caught on my right ankle, and I fell on the road, and the police came, the EMT came, and I shattered all my teeth, and my lips swelled up like a golf ball. And what happens, I did arrive in Houston, and I was in the office for about 4 hours, and my son, Dr. Friedberg, extracted 23 teeth and said, "Be thankful you have me, Dad." Full mouth reconstruction is the Cadillac in the industry, so I was really grateful that he did all that, and I was really very appreciative. And he's been very conscientious in following up my dental care all throughout the years, and I'm very proud of him.
And so we flew my father down. We took out all his remaining teeth. My father did get an all-on X treatment option. He was restored with teeth that don't come in and out. He has a lot of confidence with his teeth, and his only regret is that he didn't do it sooner. It's just that the greatest reward I think I've had in dentistry was being able to take care of my dad, in his time of need.
Oh, I couldn't believe it was the same person. I mean, I couldn't believe it. I felt like I was a movie star. Yeah, I was really impressed. Oh my God, maybe I should go to Hollywood.